Today we're going to talk about some cold weather issues that are going to start showing their heads here just in the next little bit. This type of problem happens to us on a very regular basis when we start getting cold, and then we start getting quite a few phone calls that go along with it. What the main problem that we see on there above battery problems, the battery problems will kind of start showing themselves as it gets cold here. You're going to start seeing no crank issues, slow crank issues, dead batteries, that type of problem, which can be a result of heat from the summer damaging the battery, but it shows up in the wintertime when you need the amps to crank the engine over. That's kind of probably our number one issue that we're going to see is battery problems. But our number two issue that shows up here right away off the bat is fuel problems. So we've been fueling fuel out of steel farm tanks, and in the midst of all that, we end up getting a little bit of water in the bottom of the fuel tanks. This can cause us all sorts of havoc going forward on the idea of the first time it freezes, we've got a little bit of water in the bottom of the tank. Molecular isotope, kind of like what heat would be, where if you have a water molecule in the tank, heat will help isolate that out of it and help you deal with that, so that they do make a heat product for diesel and they make a heat product for gasoline. That'll help you isolate the water molecules out of the fuel and take care of that.